Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing fine. So I'm back with another video. Today I've got a key of my car. So this needs to be replaced. The battery needs to be replaced. So we are going to see how we are going to do it. So we have to open this and change the battery. So I have got the new battery here, Duracell 2032 CR2032. So let's go ahead and do it. So just remove the battery, just got it all. Got the battery from the store. So I'll just place the call on hold. I'll show you how to open this. So first of all, just press and hold. This will move up. So if you're able to see, so we are just going to press this and open the cap of this cover. So this way is going to come out, and we should just remove this key from inside here. So once you remove the key here, just you need to insert a small thin screwdriver and press this, so this will come out. Let me show you. Just slightly press this, so you can see this moving up. Slightly just open this and you can see that. So there you have the battery. Now we need to remove this battery and insert a new one. Let me just remove that. So I've removed the battery. This is the old battery. And I'm going to insert the new battery, Duracell. So this has gone in perfect. Let me just reinstall the cap, close the gate. Be careful not to you have to be very gentle, or else you'll end up damaging the key, which is very difficult to get a new one. So this is the original key of the car. So this is the key of a Ford Ecosport. That's it. Good to go. Let's check the... Oh, okay, I did not insert the key. Be careful and put the key correctly. Let's check the car if it shows any message of battery low. So we are ready. So I don't see any message where it says battery low. There you go. Battery is ready. So thanks for watching. and please subscribe. If you like the video, please give us a like. I'll come up with more videos, informative videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.